Everyone, welcome back to Nemo. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date on all things motorcycles, reviews, and gear. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda CRF 300L. This bike has been one of the most talked about adventure bikes, and for good reason. With its balance of power, handling, and durability, it's become a favorite among both new riders and seasoned off-road enthusiasts. So if you're wondering what makes the CRF 300L such a standout in the adventure bike world, stick around because we've got a lot to cover. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L takes everything great about its predecessors and enhances it. The 2023 model set the stage with a powerful engine, solid performance, and great reliability. But Honda didn't stop there. They've continued to refine this bike with subtle yet meaningful upgrades that make a significant difference. So let's break down the features of the 2025 CRF 300L, look at the performance, design, tech, and all the details that make it a top contender in its class. Let's start with the heart of the CRF 300L, the engine. Honda has equipped this bike with a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, and for 2025, they fine-tuned it to offer even better throttle response and mid-range power. This engine delivers 27 horsepower, which is a significant amount of power for a lightweight bike, making it perfect for off-road adventures. You'll feel confident taking it over rocky trails, up steep inclines, and through rough conditions. Honda has also worked on improving the fuel injection system for better performance in various weather conditions. The fuel system is now more responsive, ensuring the bike runs smoothly whether you're riding at high altitudes or during cold mornings. The 2025 version offers smooth power delivery, making it much easier to handle technical trails. In addition, the gearing has been optimized. The CRF 300L now has more precise shifts, which translates into better control, especially when you're crawling over technical sections or need quick acceleration when you're back on open trails. When it comes to handling, the CRF 300L shines. Honda has designed the frame to be lighter while maintaining strength. The new design improves stability, which is crucial for both off-road and on-road use. The weight of the bike has been reduced by a few pounds, but the bike still feels substantial enough to handle anything you throw at it, yet nimble enough to flick around tight corners. One of the standout features of the CRF 300L is the suspension. The 2025 model features a fully adjustable Showa fork with 10.2 inches of travel in the front and a Pro-Link rear shock with 9.4 inches of travel. This generous suspension setup allows the bike to absorb everything from rocky terrain to deep ruts with ease. Whether you're jumping over obstacles or navigating rough backcountry trails, the suspension is up to the task. It's designed to keep the bike balanced and composed, even when you hit a bump or two at high speeds. The fork and rear shock are both adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the bike to your weight and riding style. This is especially important for riders who might spend a lot of time on different types of terrain and want to ensure the ride feels just right. Now let's talk about stopping power. The CRF 300L comes equipped with a 256-inch disc brake up front and a 220mm disc brake in the rear. The braking performance has been updated for 2025, offering more progressive feel and better overall stopping power, especially when riding off-road. These upgraded brakes are more than capable of handling the demands of off-road riding, whether you're in tight situations or need to stop quickly in loose conditions. And with Honda's low-maintenance design, you'll spend less time adjusting and more time riding. The tires are another highlight. Honda has equipped the CRF 300L with knobby tires that are perfect for dirt, mud, and gravel. The tire choice for 2025 has been designed for durability, ensuring they'll last longer while providing the traction you need when you're out in the wild. Whether you're doing deep sand dunes or rocky mountain trails, these tires will give you the grip and confidence you need. Now, let's talk about comfort. Whether you're riding for an hour or several hours, comfort is key. and Honda has made significant strides in improving ergonomics on the 2025 CRF 300L. The seat height is set at 34.7 inches, which is a great middle ground for most riders. Whether you're tall or shorter, it's easy to manage, and the seat itself is comfortable for long rides. The narrower seat design in 2025 reduces the amount of leg strain, making it easier for you to maneuver the bike in technical situations. Honda has also redesigned the handlebars, which are now slightly wider and offer better leverage, particularly for off-road maneuvers. The controls are intuitive and everything is laid out so you can easily make adjustments without breaking concentration. Additionally, the foot pegs are wider than before, providing a more stable and comfortable platform when standing on the pegs during off-road riding. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or hitting some jumps, you'll appreciate the improved ergonomics. Honda has stuck with a familiar look for the CRF 300L, but there are a few visual tweaks for the 2025 model that give it a more aggressive and modern appearance. The bodywork is sleek, with sharper lines and a more streamlined design that adds to its off-road prowess. The iconic CRF red is complemented with black and white accents, giving the bike a bold and dynamic look. One of the design improvements is the LED headlight. The 2025 model comes with a more powerful, brighter LED headlamp that will help you navigate those nighttime or low-light trail rides. Along with this, the tail section has been slimmed down, reducing weight and providing a more minimalistic look while maintaining all the necessary functionality. Honda has also made the fuel tank slightly slimmer, which helps with overall bike handling. The new design is perfect for riders who spend a lot of time standing on the pegs, since it's easier to grip and maneuver. As with all new bikes, technology plays a major role in enhancing the overall experience. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L is equipped with an advanced LCD display that provides all the necessary information you need, including speed, fuel level, trip meter, and engine diagnostics. The readability of the display has been improved, making it easy to view even in bright daylight. Honda has also included a more robust engine protection system that includes an updated cooling system. The 2025 model also comes with better heat management, which reduces the risk of overheating during long rides or tough conditions. This improvement makes the CRF 300L even more reliable for extended off-road adventures. And let's not forget about the fuel economy and range of the CRF 300L. With the updated fuel injection system and the 7.8-liter fuel tank, this bike offers great fuel efficiency for long trips. On average, the CRF 300L gets around 70-75 miles per gallon, which means you'll be able to ride for hours without constantly worrying about fuel stops. This makes the CRF 300L perfect for both short and long adventures. Whether you're tackling a weekend trail ride or a multi-day adventure, the fuel range is more than enough to get you through most terrain without cutting your ride short. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L is priced competitively in the adventure bike market. For all the improvements in performance, design, and technology, it offers excellent value. While the price may vary slightly based on location and dealer, the CRF 300L sits in a very reasonable price range for what it offers. When you factor in Honda's legendary reliability and durability, you're getting an incredible package that will serve you well for years to come. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Honda CRF 300L? Well, if you're looking for an adventure bike that can handle both off-road and on-road situations, is reliable, easy to handle, and offers great value, then the CRF 300L should be at the top of your list. Honda has really stepped up the game with this model, refining an already excellent bike and improving nearly every aspect of it. Whether you're new to off-road riding or a seasoned pro, the CRF 300L offers something for everyone. With its impressive engine, suspension, and design upgrades, it's clear that the 2025 CRF 300L is ready to take on whatever adventure you can throw at it. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L. I hope this video helped you get a better understanding of what makes this bike so special. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, riding tips, and motorcycle news. Also, let us know in the comments what you think of the CRF 300L. Do you own one, or are you considering buying one? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ride safe.